Imagine waking up to an income stream earning you $1,000 every single month while you sleep. And if this sounds too good to be true, it's not. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I helped Sonny make his first 1K online by selling a simple digital product. And I'm going to be breaking the process down in 5 easy steps. Now, if you're new to my channel, this is part 2 of that process. If you want to catch up, go ahead and watch the first video popping up on your screen right now. This video is part 2 of that process, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up this entire system so that you can sell your digital product on autopilot. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can get access to all 5 elements all in one place. So it's going to save you a ton of time, stress, and energy. Now let's dive in. Starting with number 5, the first thing you're going to need is a high quality digital product. Now I won't go too deep on this subject because we already talked about it in the first video, but I do want to add in some extra things that you want to consider when you're creating your digital product. So let's kind of recap and make sure you got a clear understanding of what makes a good digital product. Number 1 is your value proposition. You want to make sure that you clearly define what problem that your digital product solves. In other words, what's in it for the customer? What are they signing up for? What can they expect? And why should they even buy it from you? If your product doesn't solve an immediate problem or a specific problem, then the customers won't buy it. You want to make sure that you have that problem or the solution to that problem in the title of your digital product. Don't leave them guessing. Make sure the message is clear. Make sure they can understand just from reading the title what it is that they're purchasing. It's already super hard to persuade people to buy your digital product, so you want to make sure there's no confusion in the process. For example, don't title your ebook or quote unquote blueprint how to make money online. Try to be more specific. For example, how to create a profitable Etsy shop in under 30 days. That makes a lot more sense, targets a specific group of people, and there's no confusion. The title from that product alone is going to call out those people who are already thinking about starting an Etsy shop and don't know how. If your product is not confusing, it's going to be so much easier to sell, and you won't have to do a lot of explaining and convincing in the process because the customer would just get it. Next, you want to make sure that your digital product has good content. Make sure your digital product is well structured, easy to consume, and make sure that your digital product provides the promise that you're giving. Only put content inside of your digital product that is necessary and needed. Trim all the fat out, go straight to the point. Less is so much more. For example, if you're selling an ebook and you can put all of the content that they need in only 5 or 6 pages, then make it only 5 to 6 pages. It doesn't have to be 60 to 75 pages long. Only keep the content that the customer actually needs that will actually help them. And finally, make sure that your digital product is easy to access. Don't make your customer have to do any unnecessary extra steps in order to get access to the digital product after they purchase it. Immediately after purchase, it should go to their email address. All that you have to do is click a link to download and nothing else. Now, for most of my digital products, all I do is just upload it into Google Drive or Google Docs, and I put the link to download those digital products in the email, or after they purchase on the thank you page, they can access and download it right there. If you're new or you might be a complete beginner, I highly recommend that you start off with PLR products, which means private label rights, which means that once you purchase these PLR products, all you have to do is make minor tweaks and changes, and you can rebrand and resell that digital product as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Most times when you purchase PLR digital products, all the formatting, all the technical difficulties that goes into creating your own are all done for you. You can get started and start making money so much faster. If you want to check out some of the PLR digital products that I use, you can find them all down below this video in the YouTube description. Moving on to number 4, the next thing you're going to need in order to sell your digital products on autopilot is a sales funnel. A sales funnel is basically a digital website that walks your customer through the entire buying process. It's almost like when you walk into a store and the customer greets you, ask you what you're looking for, they physically walk you to the product, help you with any questions you might have, and then walk you back up to the checkout center, check you out, and send you on your way with a happy smile. A sales funnel takes that exact same experience and puts it in digital form for all those who are shopping online to purchase your digital product. I use sales funnels in all of my digital products, and they help make the purchase experience for all of my potential buyers a good one. On top of that, it gives me so much analytics to help me know where the customers are in their buyer's journey. Some people may only have my free lead magnet, or some people may have just purchased one of my digital products. It gives me information on what I can sell to them next to move them down to my higher priced digital products. So here are a few key things that you need in your sales funnel. Number one is a lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically a freebie or free digital product that you give away for free in exchange for the customer's email address. Collecting their email address is going to allow you to follow up with them and nurture them down the buyer's process, persuading them to purchase one of your digital products. A lead magnet is going to help you grow and build your email list. And you know what they say, the riches or the money is in your email list. The second thing you're going to need is a payment processor. A payment processor is basically an online tool that enables the customer to actually make the purchase. So if we were thinking as if you were walking in a store, the cash register in your local Kroger or Walmart would be the payment gateway. You would give the cashier your card or swipe your card at the register, and then they would cash you out and then give you your receipt. Online, there are payment gateways like Stripe, or maybe you've heard of PayPal, for you to accept payments online from the customer and then automatically send them a digital receipt or invoice and deliver the digital product that they purchased. If you don't have a payment processor or payment gateway, there's no way for you to make money online. The third thing you need inside your sales funnel is a sales page. A sales page is basically the place that hosts your actual product that you're selling. On this page, the content might explain in more detail the benefits and features of your digital product, answering all their questions and help motivating them to actually make a purchase. Your sales page is very much needed, and it's the place where the customer is going to make a decision to buy or not. But no matter what, without your own sales page in your sales funnel, you're not going to make any money. Now, there's a lot of things that goes into creating a good sales page. Tell me, where are you at in your digital marketing journey? If you'd like me to make more videos about sales pages, put sales page down in the comments below this video, and I'll make sure I make that happen for you. The third key element that you're going to need in order to sell your digital product on autopilot is an email marketing software, or some people call them an email autoresponder. An email autoresponder or an email marketing software is basically going to collect your emails and hold them in a database. An email autoresponder is also going to automatically send out all the emails for you once you set it all up. You can also use your email autoresponder to send out broadcasts to where you can let everyone who's on your email list know about sales or updates. But the best part about email autoresponders is the automated email sequences. Using automated emails, you're going to be able to create a series of automated emails to nurture your leads, promote your product, and drive sales. And this is all done for you in the background on autopilot. And once you set it up that one time, you don't necessarily have to touch it again. And this is truly how you're going to be able to make money while you sleep, because all of your automations are going to be working for you 24/7 around the clock. Now, there are a lot of different email autoresponding softwares out there. Stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to show you how you can get your own email autoresponder and everything else that I'm talking about in this video all in one place and for absolutely free. Moving on to number 2 of what you need in order to sell your digital products on autopilot is a marketing channel. And if you don't know what a marketing channel, it's basically where you're going to get your traffic from. Now, there are a lot of ways to get traffic. There's paid advertising, there's content marketing, and there's the most popular, social media marketing. You can actually promote your digital products on marketing channels like YouTube, on social media, and start telling everybody about your digital product for absolutely free. Not only YouTube, you can use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so many others to promote your digital products and spread the word so that you can drive traffic and potential sales to your digital product. But without having a marketing channel or driving traffic using social media, paid advertising, or whatever you want to use, you're not going to be making any money because you're not sending any visitors to your sales funnel. Now, the good news is there's so many different ways that you can market and promote your digital products. I've actually created tons of videos already on this subject. I'll put one on the screen popping up right now. Also, if you're one of those people that are afraid to go on social media because you don't want to show your face, you definitely want to stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can also do that. Promote your own digital products without even showing your face. And now for the number one thing that you need in order to sell your digital product on autopilot is mindset. Now, I know what you're thinking. Everybody always says mindset, but the reason we say those things because it's very important. In the beginning, when you're first starting out, the odds are going to be against you. 99% of people actually fail in this business. You got to be up for the challenge and have the right mindset to help you stay motivated and to keep going so you don't quit. In the beginning, you're going to have low views and engagement on your social media. You're not going to get a lot of leads. You're not going to make a lot of money. And you're not going to see any of the results that you like to see in the very beginning. It's going to be very discouraging. Your mindset is going to help you get through that. Now, the cool thing about having a mindset, what helps you stay encouraged is you want to have a marketing strategy. And if you have a marketing strategy on how you're going to do the entire process and make it profitable so that you can become successful, you're going to stay more motivated because you know exactly where you are in your journey. So in the beginning, when I create a new digital product and I'm putting all the work together and I go out and I start marketing it, I know it's going to be a few weeks and possibly a few months before I see any big results. And this is normal. So I don't get discouraged or I don't say it's a flop. I use all the information in the process that I'm learning from, whether it's failures or low views or low leads. I take that information and I try to figure out how I can make tweaks and improvements so I can start getting better results. That's one of the key things a lot of people misunderstand. You have to keep going, but while you're going, learn from your mistakes and work in your business enough and know about your business to grow and get better. Don't just accept things the way they are. There's always a reason why something isn't performing the way you like it to be. If you're not getting any sales, look at your traffic. If you're not getting any leads, look at your landing pages. Once you figure out those things and you have the mindset with the strategy, you're going to stay motivated and things are going to improve and you're going to become successful. Now, as promised, I told you if you stuck around to the end of this video, I would show you how you can get everything that you need in order to sell your digital product on autopilot, including the product all in one place. On your screen right now is one of my PLR digital products called the First 1K Profit Funnel. This is going to come with all the emails, the email autoresponder, even a PLR digital product, everything you need that we're talking about in this series all in one place. And it's only going to cost you $7. Now, this also comes with master resale rights, which means once you purchase it, you're going to get master resale rights to it. You can rebrand it, sell it as your own, and keep 100% of the profits. And I made this super easy for any and everybody to set up. All you have to do is make some minor changes and edit the funnel. And this funnel is going to be imported into the software that comes with it in one click. and it's super easy, saves you a ton of time, and you can start selling and making money as soon as the same day or 15 minutes. Now, if you want to learn more about this digital product, I actually created a video on it. I'll make sure I leave the link down below this video in the description, or you can check out the video popping up on your screen right now. So now that you know the 5 key things that you need in order to start selling your digital product on autopilot, the next thing you're probably going to want to know is, now that it's all set up, how do I make money with it? That's why you want to watch this next video popping up on your screen right now, because in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 key things you need in this system so that you can scale your digital product and start making 1 to 5K every single month. When you compare what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Till then, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.